I have my very first The Fabulous Planner subscription box here with me today, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like. All right, let's get to it. Welcome back to my channel where I share all things planner related, unboxings, plan with me's, flip throughs, and tips and tricks for you to use in your planner. All right, let's go ahead, open this box. I just wanted to show you how it looked before I actually opened it up. So let's take a look here. I am really excited. This is my very first subscription box from the Fabulous Planner. I have ordered from her before. She does have 2 boxes to choose from, and I believe I chose the luxury box. Yes, I believe so. I ordered it a bit ago, so I don't remember. I've been really busy. So Barbie theme. I'm so excited. So I don't know if you guys have seen the Barbie movie yet, but it is so cute. If you haven't seen it, go see it. Go ahead and open it up. Now, if this is the first time that you are stopping by, I'm Tina. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you have a fun time here with me today. All right, let's see what we've got here. Sort of, I don't remember. Oh, I ripped that. Oh, bummer. Look at how cute it is. Oh my gosh, look at all of the cute things. Okay, so since this is my first box, I think I'm going to take everything out and show it with you piece by piece. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I am so excited. All right, so I definitely got the luxury box. It doesn't have pictures, but it just shows like what the theme is, which of course I already knew. It was a Barbie theme, and next month is going to be a groovy mood. She includes that, so you can make decisions if you choose to, I guess, you can probably put it on hold, I'm assuming. I'm not really sure how her subscription boxes work. I am not affiliated with her. I just thought this was adorable. I just love her stuff. So I definitely wanted to pick this up. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. We've got one laminated dashboard. I am in love. That's adorable. That is really adorable. And then the back side is just white. So we've got just the front facing, and it's laminated, and I chose to get a disc bound punch with in an A5 size. Yes, I believe that's what I decided. Oh my goodness, holy cow. Then there is a set of planner inserts for the month. How stinking cute. Oh my gosh. All right, if this is the first time you've been here, I tend to gush. I get really excited about things, but you know what? That's why we're here, right? Because we're excited about planner stuff. But this is so cute. Now, I don't know if Barbie is your thing, obviously. Oh my gosh, it's not for everybody, obviously, but I grew up with Barbie and I just love her. Oh my goodness. These inserts are adorable. Okay, so they're undated, so you can use them whenever you want. So we've got like the Monday through Sunday. That's a really cute font, by the way. Look at that. And then those are the same for a month. Here we've got this bookmark. You can be anything. It's adorable. The tassel, so cute. You could see I have Barbie nails. I went and I saw the Barbie movie, and I saw it by myself because I knew my husband was not going to want to go, and I was okay with that. Like, I did not mind going by myself at all. Look at how cute this pen is. You can be anything with the heart. It looks like it's like a rose gold, and I'm assuming, yes, it twists. Love, love, love it. All right, let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got washi. Okay, let's see how well I open this up, because I usually don't open washi with grace. But, oh, I got it. Yay. Look at that. That's like a long pattern, right? Wow, I don't think it's repeated yet. No, that's pretty cool. I think it's repeating right here. So, wow, that's like a really long strip before it repeats. So cute. Oh my gosh, there is an enamel pin. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Look at this notepad. It's got check boxes. You can be anything. Love it. Lots and lots there. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is a notebook. Look at how cute this is with all of the Barbie icons on there. 1959. Is that when she came out? I guess. And look at the back. So pretty. I'm assuming that's when she came out, because why else would that be on there, right? And it's clear paper. That's awesome. I love that. I like that. I don't have enough of notebooks with like clear paper like this. So yeah, really cute. All right, you know I was saving stickers till the last, but before I get into the stickers, we've got die cuts, and I mean a whole lot of die cuts. Look at that. I am not gonna go through all of these, but oh my gosh, how cute are these? Well, I might go through them, but a little bit quicker. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, there's so many of them here, and they've got like a nice like finish to them. So, oh, look at that, the preppy dog. Oh my gosh, these are really, really cute. So a lot of just pink in here. Look at the hat, the bicycle. Look at how many there are. That's crazy. That is awesome. And there's more. So obviously some I like a little bit more than others. Whoops. But yeah. But, oh my gosh, really, really cute. These would be so fun to decorate that little notebook. I can't believe it. I don't even know. I wasn't counting them. There's so many of them. So many. These would be really cute to decorate a water bottle. I've never done that before. So if you have done that before, let me know. Okay, we've got more stickers to go through. Oh my gosh, 3 more items. Can you believe it? And they're all stickers. And wow, okay, this is gonna have a lot of glare. Look at all of the cute stickers. Barbie girl. These are on like a clear like paper, but they're not really kiss cut. It's like a thicker sticker. Okay, and then here is the other one. This has got like a lot of like black in here, a lot of like gold foil. Well, this has got gold foil trim as well. So anyway, we've got 2 sheets. They're all a little bit different. Yeah, there's no repeats in here that I see. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then I've got one last thing here, which is a sticker kit. All right, so this one is something that she made herself. I'm not sure, let's see. I just wanted to organize them a little bit better. There's 4 pages. So we've got like checklists, but with a Barbie head instead of like a little box or a circle. Currently in Barbie land, Knuff, oh my gosh, Barbie. We've got some boxes. Oh, this Barbie is a planner queen. Little habit trackers. And then we've got, is she by herself? Yes, she is. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, I wish I had this before I seen the Barbie movie, but that is okay because I still can do something really fun with it. So now we've got currently Erin's Happy Mail work movie time. See, now I need to go see it again just so I can put something like this together. No, I don't need to see it again, I don't think, but it's really cute. I don't know, maybe I will. I'm rambling. Oh my gosh, look at this, like a wide washi strip, the week priority, or this week. And these are, yeah, these are boxes, okay. And this I'm assuming is a long washi strip. Yes, it is. Oh, these are really cute. I'm just kind of ogling now, so really, really cute. All right, so this is everything that came in the luxury box from the Fabulous Planner, which is called the Fabulous Box. And I love it, love it. It's so cute, Flavia. I can't wait to use it. It's gonna be, I don't know what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, so make sure you are following me on all of the places. I am on Instagram, I am on TikTok, I am on Facebook. I have a Facebook page there, and I'm also now on Threads. So if you are on any of those platforms, or if you are on all of them, please look for me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. I will go ahead and link Flavia's shop down below, so if you want to check out what she has, she's got some really cute things in her shop. I have ordered from her before, like I said. If you like this video, please hit the like. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And remember, drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think of this subscription box. And I'd like to know, did you see the Barbie movie already? All right, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.